Ah, bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion itong Facebook reel posted by Billionaire News Channel. Interview nila kay dating Senate President Franklin Drilon. Very frank, Franklin. Lantaran niya sinabi, the President has no business staying in Malacanang. Kung, ano yung kung? Mahina. Dapat kung ano yung policy niya, susundin ng Kongreso. Ito, tungkol ito sa impeachment case ni BP Sara.
If the president cannot whip enough congressmen to follow his policy, he better quit as president. He has no business being there.
In relation to that, boss, the NUP already made a statement.
Which they retracted.
Retracted
Of
na?
course.
Okay. I have not seen the retraction.
No, I have seen it.
Okay. So in other words, game ulit.
Of course.
So is that what you're saying? The president, hinampas na yung whip para for people to do
That
the
only proves that if the president wants the impeachment to continue, he would.
Yeah.
But as evidenced by the immediately past precedent of this, in the first impeachment where the famous fourth wind issue surfaced, he didn't do anything.
The president, you mean, or Senate President Scudero?
The Senate President did something. He interpreted fourth wind.
Okay.
President Marcos didn't do anything.
You would say that hindi nga gumalaw, wala nagbaston sa Senate. Nobody was making sure that these things would proceed.
Yes. Nobody, that's correct. Been there, done that. I was a senator judge twice.
Right.
Now, if somebody tells me that, that's an exclusive prerogative of the Senate, separation of powers, talagang bago ka ba?
So, you've just told us at yung buong Republika ng Pilipinas, 120 million Filipinos, it is a political act by both houses at nangingialam ang presidente o minsan dapat mangialam ang presidente. Is that what you're saying po?
What I'm saying is that if the president will execute a policy,
Yes, po.
he should be able to execute it as president and let the Congress follow. If we cannot let the Congress follow, there's no business staying in Malacanang.
Noted.
President cannot whip enough congressmen to follow his policy. He better quit as president. He has no business being there.
Grabe. You better quit. You better quit as president. No business staying in Malacanang. Grabe naman. Kailang, if naman, dapat, kung may palisiya, ang presidente, dapat mayroon siyang baston o bastonero, may enough political will siya para sundin ng mga congressman. Yun ang sinasabi ni ex-senator Drilon. And I agree. Dalawang beses akong dumaan as senator judge. I don't know. Corona, sino ba yung isa? Herap ba? May bumulong. Yun ang pagkakaintindi ko. Example, yung kay Corona. Ang boto ni Drilon noon is conviction. 3 lang yung nag-acquit kay Corona. So, ang mga impeachment, pinapakialaman yan ng mga pangulo. Yan ang ibig niyang sabihin. Kaya, itong presidente natin, I don't know kung anong klaseng leader siya. Yung unang impeachment, sabi niya, ayoko na magkaroon ng impeachment. Dahil hindi nakakatulong sa bansa. Di ba ganon? Last year ba yun? Anong nangyari? Biglang pumirma 215 congressmen, anak niya ang unang pumirma. Iba ang sinasabi, ibang nangyayari. Kaya agree ako, dito sinasabi ni Senator Drilon na yung impeachment ni BP Sara, depende sa presidente yan. Kung gusto niya talagang ma-impeach, then basto niya. Ikuan niya yung mga kongreso para yon. Kaya yung NUP, 'di ba, may press statement sila na hindi sila susuporta. Binawi nila eh. Ibig sabihin, baka nakialam ang Malacanang. No. Ituloy nyo. Kaya with this, baka opinion ko lang ito baka makakuha sila ng 1/3 na congressman para endorse ang impeachment pataas sa Senado. Ang problema ngayon, hindi naman nila kontrolado ang mga senador. They need 16 senators to convict VP Sara. Oh, kaya ba nila yon? Kung si Mr. Lito Banayo ang pakinggan natin, alanganin. 4 lang. Agree ako, dito sinasabi niya, 4 lang ang sigurado na boboto sa conviction ni VP Sara. Lacson, Soto, Contiveros, and sino ito? Pangilinan. So may 4 pa na alanganin, baka no. Ako, isa lang tinitingnan ko, yung minority black yung 9. Sigurado na yun. Hindi sila boboto ng conviction ni VP Sara. Doon sa majority, meron ding anti-impeachment dyan. Senator Soberi, from Mindanao yan. 2 magkapatid na bilyar. Kaya, to me, pwede sa Kamara, makakuha sila ng 1/3. Aakyat yan sa Senado. Pagdating sa Senado, wala pa rin. Kaya, ang mga kongresista, sige, baka matuloy na yung sinasabi ni Senator Amy na yung 2026 budget na ang daming giniling na pork, yung mga ayuda, baka ito na gagamitin para incentive sa mga pumirma. Oh. So, thank you po, Senator Drilon. You better quit if you don't have the power to let Congressman follow your policy. Yan ang sinasabi niya. And I agree. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel.